PDF viewer for WordPress is on a 30% discount, which means you can get the regular license for only $28. This is the best time to get PDF viewer for WordPress. Let me show you what PDF viewer WordPress is going to do and why it is important for every WordPress users. Normally, if you upload a PDF, you can have the visual like this. You can see the PDF like this, which don't have any kind of flipbook option. So if you are an ebook writer who wants to share their books so that their visitors can read, he or she will not get a flipbook mode. But if you use PDF viewer for WordPress, and let me show you, here you can see the interface will look like this, which is super amazing, and also there is flipbook option, which gives the real life book reading feeling. So when a visitor comes to your website and he gets something like this, he will love it and spend more time rather than watching this. So it's important for every WordPress website to install PDF for WordPress to view their PDFs as flipbook. And due to this low rate, you have to get this plugin right now. Thanks for watching. Don't waste any time at all. This offer will be valid for 3 more days. Get this plugin within this offer time with a 30% discount and save $12 immediately. You will need it someday, so why not today? Buy this now.